Honor teased the launch of an upcoming Honor X9c smartphone in Malaysia. The X9c will be coming to Malaysia on November 5, 2024. Honor Malaysia touted the X9c 5G as the new king of durability. The new Honor X9b 5G is drop-resistant up to 2 meters to hard flooring, whereas the X9b was only rated for 1.5 meters. Honor X9c will come in titanium purple, jade cyan, and titanium black colorways. Honor X9c 5G packs a large 108MP camera with OIS and 5MP ultra-wide-angle camera and 16MP selfie camera. Honor X9c comes with a 6.78-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. New X9c 5G featuring a bigger 6600 mAh silicon carbide battery with 66W wired fast charging. The Honor X9b retail for RM1 for $99, and it's likely that the new Honor X9c. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.